Good afternoon to everyone. Today I am talk about heteropolysaccharide. Heteropolysaccharide are composed of repeating disaccharide units of different monosaccharides and their derivatives. Example of heteropolysaccharide is glycosaminoglycans. Glycosaminoglycans. They were known as mucopolysaccharide as they were detected in mucous membranes. These are heteroglycans made up of repeated unit of sugar derivatives, mostly amino sugar and uronic acid linked by glycosidic bonds. Example of amino sugar such as glucosamine, N-acetylglucosamine or N-acetylgalactosamine. Example of sugar acid such as D-gluconic acid or L-itonic acid. And sulfate group attached to either amino sugar or sugar acid. Example of glycosaminoglycans are hyaluronic acid, heparin, heparin sulfate, dermatan sulfate, chondroitin sulfate, and keratin sulfate. These are the examples of glycosaminoglycans. First, we will discuss hyaluronic acid. Structure of hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is a glycosaminoglycan consisting of repeating units of D-gluconic acid and N-acetylglucosamine linked with beta-1,3 glycosidic linkage. It is the only glycosaminoglycan which does not contain sulfate and not attached to protein. It is very important for hyaluronic acid. Sources of hyaluronic acid. It occurs in synovial fluid, vitreous humor, outer coast of mammalian eggs and extracellular matrix of loose connective tissue. Function of hyaluronic acid. It functions as a lubricant, shock absorbing substance and effective barrier against bacterial invasion. Hyaluronidase enzyme present in seminal fluid plays role in fertilization. It acts on the hyaluronic acid present on the outer coat of ovum, thereby enabling penetration of sperm and fertilization of ovum. Presence of hyaluronic acid in embryonic tissue play a major role in cell migration during morphogenesis. The second example of glycosaminoglycan is heparin. Structure of heparin. Heparin is a glycosaminoglycan consisting of repeating units of L-itonic acid sulfate and D-glucosamine sulfate linked by beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. Sources of heparin. It's naturally occurring anticoagulant present in lung, liver, spleen, skin, mast cells and circulation. Function of heparin. Heparin functions as an anticoagulant by interaction with antithrombin third. Heparin also activates lipoprotein lipase, help in clearing turbidity of lipemic serum. Clinical significance of heparin. Heparin is commonly used as anticoagulant in clinical conditions prone for or presenting with thrombosis. For example, it is given in myocardial infarction to prevent thrombosis. The third example of glycosaminoglycan is heparin sulfate. Structure of heparin sulfate. Heparin sulfate is a glycosaminoglycan consisting of repeating units of D-gluconic acid sulfate or hyaluronic acid sulfate and N-acetylglucosamine sulfate. Heparin sulfate consisting higher acetylated glucosamine residues than heparin. Sources of heparin sulfate. It is present in basement membranes such as glomerulus of kidney and cell surfaces. Function of heparin sulfate. It functions as a structural component in glomerular basement membranes. It may function as a barrier to prevent the passage of plasma proteins. In cell surface, it is involved in cell-cell communication, cell growth and cell deterification. Disorders. Example Hurler syndrome and Hunter syndrome. The fourth example of glycosaminoglycan is dermatan sulfate. Structure of dermatan sulfate. It is a glycosaminoglycan consisting of repeating units of L-itonic acid and N-acetylglucosamine 4-sulfate. Sources of dermatan sulfate. It is present in skin, blood vessels, and heart valves. Function of dermatan sulfate. It functions as a structural component in the matrix of connective tissue, maintains the shape of tissue. Disorder. Examples are Hurler syndrome and Hunter syndrome. Hurler syndrome is caused by inherited deficiency of lysosomal hyaluronidase. Hunter syndrome is caused by inherited deficiency of lysosomal hyaluronic acid sulfatase. Another example of glycosaminoglycan is keratin sulfate. Structure of keratin sulfate. It is a heteropolysaccharide consisting of repeating units of D-galactose and N-acetylgalactosamine sulfate with beta-1,4 glycosidic linkage. It is the only glycosaminoglycan without an uronic acid. Sources of keratin sulfate. Keratin sulfate is present in cornea, tendons, bone and cartilage. Function of keratin sulfate. It functions as a structural component. It may be aggregated with chondroitin sulfate. It is responsible for transparency of cornea. Disorders. Example is type 4 mucopolysaccharides, Morquio syndrome. The sixth example of glycosaminoglycan is chondroitin sulfate. Structure of chondroitin sulfate. Chondroitin sulfate is a glycosaminoglycan consisting of D-gluconic acid and N-acetyl-galactosamine sulfate. Sources of chondroitin sulfate. It is the most abundant glycosaminoglycan found as ground substance in connective tissue, cartilage, bone and heart valves. Function of chondroitin sulfate. It acts as a structural component. It may be found aggregated with keratin sulfate. Thank you. Class is over.